Let's take a quick look at PICOCLEAN 126 AM. The crew wanted to show me how they were going to use our cleaner. Look at how well the PICOCLEAN 126 AM is wetting out the floor. This floor has not been cleaned in a very long time, and as you can see, the cleaner is getting to work right away. I got out in front of the crew to get a good look at how dirty it is. This area is in a steel mill, and the floor is covered in ground-in grease, dirt, and iron oxide. I hope you can see it is everywhere. Most of the floor is concrete with some steel plate along the walkway. Look at the difference. The PICOCLEAN 126 AM cut through the layers of dirt, grease, iron oxide. It even seemed brighter in here. PICOCLEAN 126 AM. Use as a steam cleaning detergent or spray it on with a backpack sprayer and let it sit. Either way, it will ease the burden of heavy cleaning. Available in drums and totes. Contact us for pricing.